Microsoft acquires Skyrim, Fallout, and Doom dev Bethesda. Microsoft has declared a £7.5 million agreement to obtain ZeniMax Media, the parent firm of Bethesda Performs and its own lots of studios. The studios, for example Bethesda Game Studios and id Computer Software, are supporting several major gaming franchises which includes Doom, Fallout, Elder Scrolls, and also several much more. That marks a large rise into the Xbox Sports Studios lineup, and that develops from 1 to 5 inner studios into 2-3. In a Xbox side article announcing that the purchase, Xbox Mind Phil Spencer summarized this deal comprises the studios supporting businesses such as The Elder Scrolls, Fallout, Wolfenstein, Doom, Dishonored, Prey, along with Quake, together side upcoming games such as Starfield. Additionally, it cites that Bethesda has been initially first to encourage Video Game Pass together with offerings such as The Elder Scrolls, also that relocating forwards Bethesda's library is going to be inserted into this ceremony since each match releases. This includes launch day Sport Pass sparks for prospective endeavors including Starfield. Video Game Pass can be an essential element at your purchase. Much like people, Bethesda are enthusiastic leaders in developing a various variety of inventive adventures, also in researching fresh game franchises, also in educating testimonies and daring methods, Spencer explained. Everyone their amazing operate will naturally grow and continue and also we anticipate enabling them along with the tools and help of Microsoft to scale their own creative dreams to players into brand fresh manners of you personally. Independently, the statement in Bethesda provides a more explanation for why Microsoft looked such as an proper game for your own business, for example their very lengthy standing of functioning jointly. Why the shift? As it enables us to produce even far superior matches moving ahead, Bethesda PR and promotions supervisor Pete Hines stated. Microsoft is also an unbelievable associate and will be offering usage of resources which is likely to cause us an improved publisher as well as programmer. We feel means better matches that you play with. To put it simply, we all feel change is also an equally significant part having improved. We rely on forcing ourselves to function improved. To innovate. To cultivate. Hines additionally noticed that Bethesda will even now release a unique matches. It truly is uncertain that which effects, if any, could transpire on such a entrance, for example fluctuations between exclusivity on prospective matches. Much like our authentic venture, that one is roughly greater than one platform or just one monitor, explained Elder Scrolls and also Fallout manufacturer Todd Howard, at an announcement. We talk about a profound belief in the basic ability of matches, inside their own capacity to join, enable, and also attract delight. And also opinion we have to attract it to everybody no matter of that which you have, your geographical area, or exactly whatever exactly you play. Without regard to screen dimensions, both the control, and also your own capacity to use. It is vital to mention the offer has never officially been yet, but this procedure could become of a formality than anything. In its media launch, Microsoft stated that it expects the sale to close from the next half its present financial calendar year, that could signify which will take place someday in between January and June of 2021. This really is only one among Microsoft's more expensive imports, arriving from much over Mojang, £2.5 billion, and also Minecraft and about equaling the total amount it taken care of GitHub. And, whilst a far various form of bargain, it is way much greater than something similar to Disney's Lucasfilm bargain, that had been really worth £4.05 billion. Even the ZeniMax acquisition comprises 8 brand fresh studios in most, and publisher Bethesda Softworks, covering a broad range of franchises. Fans had been fast to level this out attracts Bethesda, together using all the Fallout Internet Protocol address, and also Obsidian, programmer of Fallout, New Vegas, in an identical house where they truly are expecting would pave the way for Fallout, New Vegas 2. Much Obsidian weight on the question, albeit using as signals of the responses soon.